Liquid mode makes reading PDFs on mobile devices easier, more efficient, and a better experience all round. And as more and more teachers and students put resources into online spaces, so the ability to study anytime and anywhere should mean all devices can present material in a way that makes reading and studying seamless. In this example, an art history student currently touring on holiday needs to do some vacation reading for next term's topic, and has been given a PDF of Vasari's Lives of the Artists to read. The text is dense and the PDF document complex and contains columns and footnotes. Opening a PDF on a mobile might normally require pinch and zoom to make the text bigger, but this isn't a satisfactory way to view a text for any period of time. Accessing liquid mode reflows the text of a document into a more responsive and readable form. We see here how much easier it is to read and how the document has been optimized for reading on a mobile screen, whichever orientation we are holding the device. The structure of the document can be accessed really easily too, allowing quick access to different parts of the document if it is bookmarked. Liquid mode works in conjunction with customizing read settings that enable font size and line spacing to be adjusted, so users can actually enjoy reading on a mobile device, improving speed, accuracy, and comprehension. Whether you're using Acrobat DC on its own or as part of Adobe Creative Cloud, you've got the tools to enhance your students' reading and transform your classroom.